everyone, we're going to establish this trig identities by using our Pythagorean identities. So, first of all, when you're doing your identities, you want to work on the more complicated side. This left-hand side is a little more complicated because it has a tan and a secant. And our right-hand side, we only have a secant. So what I want to do is get rid of this tan, or change it. Now, usually when you start identities, you change everything to cosine and sine. However, it's good to remember that secant and tan always go together. So usually you have this Pythagorean identity right here. Tan squared of theta plus 1 equals secant squared. So that's based off dividing sine squared plus cosine squared by cosine squared. And you have this identity. So that's what I'm going to substitute it with. I know that tan, and I rearrange this, I get tan squared. If I rearrange this one, I get tan squared of theta equals secant squared of theta minus 1. So I'm going to substitute. So I have 9 secant squared theta minus 5. Now substituting my tan squared, this is going to be secant squared theta minus 1. All right. And we want this to equal 5 plus 4 secant squared of theta. So we're going to write this down again. 9 secant squared of theta. Distribute that negative 5. You get minus 5 secant squared of theta plus 5. All right. 9 minus 5 of those is 4 of those. So you get 4 secant squared of theta plus 5. So it does match up here. And or you can just rearrange it if you want, because it's a positive. We're adding, so it doesn't matter which way, the order you do it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.